Good afternoon. It is October 15th, 2024, and today looks like we had two legs down. On the daily chart, it's a big bear bar. Um, Here's how it looks on a higher time frame, 17,000 ticks. So, um, very, very, very clear that we were trying to make a second leg down. On the 6,500 tick chart, I really I like this. They trapped some bears here, but I like this. I definitely like this bear doji, but it went sideways for a bit before going lower. And then here, I probably would have entered short here, and taken profits like at a new low or near these lows, but it just kept going. So here's a more reasonable time frame for scalps. So in the overnight, we were going sideways. Um, and once we broke out to the low side, we went well beyond this measured move before going sideways. So let's take a look. We were just going sideways here, so not really anything you can take in there. Um, if you're feeling aggressive, maybe you can take this short, but that's like super aggressive because you don't know if prices are going to bounce. And that begins this little landslide. And there's no real entry by max rules in here. Um, and you can see we get some buying here, some buying here, and then we get a nice bounce. So I mean, there's reason, and I think this is at the opening price from yesterday. Yeah, so there's reasons to like this one for sure. Um, but you probably want to exit once you see that big bear bar. And we get two legs up to this. So I mean, technically this is a first entry, but I like this. I like this short because it looks like two-legged pullback, and we're testing that uh, measured move, and then we're just ranging for a while now. So I think I think this is a reasonable buy right here. That's a reasonable sell. Technically, that's second entry short too. So let me do this. You could argue for this lower high because it looks like we're ranging, and you could argue for these two as well. There as a buy or there. And then it looks like we're about to form a channel to me. So, I mean, this one doesn't work out very well, but if you like the look of that bouncing off the EMA, you could take these. Because to me, this looks like it's about to form a spike in channel, but it doesn't. So you got to be prepared to exit at the same time, especially when prices have been ranging. Also, this is why it's good to keep an eye on the higher time frames because all we were doing here was bouncing off the EMA. Get a failure right here, but you're in the middle of the range. We break out. That's a second entry short. I would, now it looks like the EMA is holding prices, so you could consider that one. And then this one's probably the nicest one. You get a second entry short, lower high, and then you get a nice failed second entry long right there. confirming that trend line. And it's off to the races. We did get an overshoot. Doesn't look like we got a break yet. This is a nice trade right here. If this finished as well. So that finished right at the low of that last bar. I think it's worth considering, but we do have some bull buying pressure now with this leg up, and this leg up. So could be one you want to sit out, but anyway, that's how I saw it today. So a lot of decent moves in here. Hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.